to 25 miles per hour this evening. Chance of rain 90%. Sunday, sunny. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs in the...
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Manasquan Inlet, New
The
Jersey.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook and Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 to 40 nautical miles, including Monmouth Beach, Sandy Hook, Sea Bride and Cedar Creek, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., National Weather Service stopped the radar indicating a thunderstorm producing strong winds 34 knots or greater 20 nautical miles west of Cedar Creek or about 15 nautical miles northwest of Silverton. This strong thunderstorm was moving northeast at 35 knots. As thunderstorms move over the water, boaters can expect gusty winds and high waves. Move to Safe Harbor or stay close to shore until the storm passes. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek Safe Harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.